Hi guys, Jeremy here, and in this video, we're going to cover the GoHighLevel account. First, we will discuss how to configure your GoHighLevel agency settings. Then, we'll cover customization options. Lastly, we'll go over the GoHighLevel white labeling and custom domains. But before we get started, I have a special offer for you. Normally, if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you get a 14-day free trial. However, if you use my link in the description below, you are going to get a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. GoHighLevel offers a ton of features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you will receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances. Now, these are worth over $900, but you're going to get them for free, just simply as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all of the details about these offers and how to claim them. Again, it's just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. All right, let's get started and configure your agency settings. All right, let's move on to something very important. Setting up your agency details in GoHighLevel. Properly configuring these settings will make sure that everything runs smoothly for both you and your clients. So to get started, navigate to the Settings tab in your agency dashboard. And once you're there, click on the Company tab. Here, you will enter important details about your agency, including the company name, email, phone number, website, business category, niche, white label domain, API domain, privacy policy URL, terms and conditions URL, and the company address. So make sure that all the information that you enter is accurate, as it will reflect across your entire GHL platform. Now, this is important because it affects how your clients perceive your business and how they communicate with you. Take your time to fill in all these details carefully so that everything is correct and professional. Now, once your basic details are set, let's talk about branding your GoHighLevel account. Branding is all about making the platform look and feel like it belongs to your agency. Now, this helps with building trust with your clients and it adds a professional touch to everything that you do. So start by adding your agency's logo. You can upload your logo with the Company tab. The recommended size for the company logo is 350 by 180 and it should be no larger than 2.5 megabytes. Once uploaded, your logo will appear throughout the platform, including in your client accounts. Now, this means that your clients will see your logo instead of GoHighLevel's logo, giving them a seamless experience that feels fully branded to your agency. Branding your GoHighLevel account is a simple step, but it has significant impact on how your agency is perceived by clients. It can make your services look much more polished and well put together. So don't skip this step. Now that your branding is set up, let's take things up a notch by talking about white labeling. Now, white labeling essentially allows you to resell GoHighLevel as your own software. This means that your clients won't see GoHighLevel's branding anywhere. They'll see your branding instead, which can add immense value to your agency and help you differentiate yourself from the competition. Through white labeling, you can customize almost every aspect of the platform, including the client portal, mobile app, and even email communications. This allows you to build a software as a service offering without needing to develop a platform from scratch. You're using the power of GoHighLevel with your own unique branding identity, which makes you appear as a software provider rather than just an agency. Now, this is a game changer when it comes to scaling your agency. To take full advantage of white labeling, you'll need to set up a custom domain. Now, a custom domain means that your clients will access their dashboards through a URL that uses your agency's domain name rather than something branded with GHL. For example, instead of going to app.gohighlevel.com, your clients could visit portal.youragencyname.com. There are a few requirements to set up a custom domain. So first, you need to have a custom domain registered. Now, you can't purchase a domain directly through GoHighLevel, so you'll need to use a domain provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Secondly, you need to have a funnel, website, or membership site created in GoHighLevel to link your custom domain to. Lastly, the good news is that every GoHighLevel subscription plan allows you to establish a custom domain at no additional cost. Now, let's talk about how to actually connect a domain or subdomain to your GoHighLevel sub-account. To do this, you will need to switch to the sub-account where you want to connect the domain. Then, click on the Settings option at the bottom of the left menu. Once you're on the Settings page, scroll down and click on the Domains tab. Here, you'll see any domains that are already connected to this specific sub-account. If you haven't connected any domains yet, don't worry. The process is quite easy. To add a domain, click on the Connect a Domain button at the top right of the page. A field will appear where you can enter your domain or subdomain. For example, youragency.com. After you enter the domain, click Continue. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to add the domain record manually or proceed automatically. Now, you can choose whichever option suits you best. Once you follow these steps, GoHighLevel will guide you through the process of setting up the DNS records with your domain provider. If you're using Cloudflare or any other DNS provider, you may need to authorize the connection for security purposes. Follow the instructions provided and your domain will soon be linked to your GoHighLevel sub-account. This white label approach not only enhances your brand visibility, but it also provides a seamless experience for your clients, which adds a lot of value to your service offerings. And there you have it, GoHighLevel agency account setup. We've gone through configuring your agency details, branding with logos, utilizing white label options, and setting up custom domains to give your clients a seamless branded experience. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And remember, if you want a 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel, along with all of the exclusive bonuses that I mentioned earlier, just click on the first link in the description to get started. Your support really helps the channel, and I hope these resources help you launch your business to new heights. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.